So the reason why I came to live here is primarily because it's very well. It's still quite natural compared to a lot of places in Asia, which have been like changing quite rapidly in the past, let's say 10 or 20 years. So this is still a place where you can find a lot of trees and yeah, it's quite natural. So you have the comfort of a city, especially Siem Reap. You have the comfort of a city because there are a few supermarkets, so you can get whatever you need, you know, as a Westerner. If you need like I often buy raw cocoa, like I'm vegan, so I need some particular food and I don't like any chemicals or pesticides or fertilizer or whatever in my food. So I buy my fresh food at the market. And people in Siem Reap are quite friendly, and it's a very safe place for solo women travelers. And yeah, very, very safe. Nobody bothers you here, so it's good. You can go for a walk, and normally in the morning, you know, never been out late at night because of Pub Street, and also because of the electricity. I mean, there is not a lot of light, so it's better if you want to go for a walk. It's better to go for a walk in the morning rather than in the evening or night. Okay. Woo! That's great. Woo! Yeah! Thank you!